everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Karen. In today's video, I will show you how to cleanse and restore amber jewelry since it's so popular right now. And actually for turquoise and lapis, you can use the same methods. Okay, let's get the purified water ready. Not to soak your jewelry in the water, but to use a very soft cloth, dip in the water, and then clean your jewelry, every bit of it. Usually once in 2 months. It also depends on how you wear it every day and how unclean it is. For turquoise and lapis, it's the same. You clean every bead. Alright, and then let's use white sage. About 20 seconds. Do you have the white tea oil? It's for crystals or wooden jewelry or amber, turquoise or lapis. If you don't have this oil, you can use olive oil on your amber jewelry. Okay, let me take off my ring first. And the amber, turquoise, lapis. Okay, then let it dry naturally. When you store your amber or turquoise jewelry, make sure it is separately packed in a jewelry box or a jewelry bag. Don't mix with other crystals. The best way to keep your amber or your turquoise jewelry beautiful is to wear them more often or touch them more often, like what I'm doing right now. Because the human oil and your body heat will help fasten the oxidation process. And if you put on hand cream or body cream, make sure you wear your amber or your turquoise 30 minutes later. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!